Hello and welcome to another unboxing video where, yes, as you can tell with the thumbnail, yes, we've basically got a new package, new order actually, from the guys and girls over at YWOBB Building Blocks, which we have obviously made the order through, and this time it's a pretty weighty and big box as well. So this is just under 7.5 kilos worth of stuff that's in this box itself. So yeah, I think what we're going to do is we're just going to get into it, crack on, and then see what we can do as well. So we've got the trusty knife. We'll cut open the box. So slice the tape, get this over and done with, and open up and see what we've got. As always, it's neatly packed or sellotaped up as well, so it doesn't get damaged or anything like that, or whatever you want to call it. So, oh wow! So first things first, we're actually greeted with a load of bags. So these are all numbered bags. I think I know what this one is actually. So we're just going to chuck everything as much as possible onto, out of the way. So I'll crack on, get all of these. Quite a lot of stuff. It's got some wheels. I know what this is itself. I see on here we've actually got a lucky charm as well. So we've got a nice little good luck charm. I've got loads of other bags here as well. Loads and loads and loads of bags. And I've got loads of track. So the track actually gives it away for this one set itself, which is cool. We've got some rubber rings, and we've got some lights and some tubes, some tubings in that. So we've then got some straight pieces and curved pieces as well. So there's a load of straights and curves and whatever else that are in here. That's a lot of, yeah, that is a lot of parts there just for the track. So I don't think I'm actually going to be using the track anytime soon, because I have nowhere for an actual railway at the moment, unfortunately. But I'll just probably go back and go into the box of all the railway bits that we've got anyway. So yeah, we then got, yeah, so we've got that bit there as well. So this one that we've just pulled out is for this one that's right at the top of the box here. So we'll crack this open. There we go, without destroying anything. So this set is the Mold King set, Mold King 12045, and it's the Vectron MS electric locomotive. So thought I'd go for something different. I haven't actually done one of these on stream or anything like that for a long while, so I thought I'd give this a go as well. And this is actually 3,072 pieces, so there's a lot of parts that go into this for a small bag as well. So yeah, very, very interesting indeed. So this says there's motor pack as well, so I'm not too sure where the motor pack will be in here, or it might have been shipped out separately. I might actually have to contact Loy and the gang and see what they say. But there's a lot of details that go into it, making up the bogies and other things like that as well. So going to be very, very interesting, to say the least. But yeah, all the detail on that. Stickers, I don't know, no, they're not actually stickers there. So there's no stickers by the looks of it. Yes, there is. There is. I do stand corrected. Sorry. So there is a couple of sticker sheets. These are all clear stickers, and yeah, this looks pretty damn cool actually. 562 stages, 191 pages. That's very, very good. I do like that. So I'll have to wait and see if we come across anything in the box here to do with the motors or anything like that. So normally with some of the motors, they do tend to ship them out separately, but we'll see what happens anyways. So right, so next one we have here, I think we did this on one of the last unboxings that we did as well, but I actually bought this one for my other half as well. I'm not going to actually pull it out, but this is the Champagne Orchids from MJ, set number 13111 at 866 pieces, and I must say those parts there, the detail on those look really, really cool as well. So she's going to look forward to building that one. And then another set that we've got on the top here, yet again I'm going to leave it in the bag itself, but this is another one for my other half as well. This is DK set number 3031, 255 pieces, and it's basically a rose bouquet, a black and gold rose bouquet. So that looks really cool. I like the fact that there's a molded piece there just for the vase as well. So very, very interesting indeed. There we go. So we've got that. I'll stay there. Next one. This one's basically for a body build for my brother, with my brother as well. He recently made an order. He did his first order over at YWOBB blocks, and he actually got himself this one as well. So this one is the Carda C55024, the BWT Alpine Formula 1 team, the A525. This is basically the 2025 season that they used, and that looks really, really cool. So yeah, look forward to building that with him as well. You get the 2 minifigs of that, which is basically Franco Colapinto and Pierre Gasly as well. So really cool. I like the coloration on that one. Very, very cool. It stands out really well. And then down here, for our daughter, we've actually got some minifigs as well, so she's going to love these. But these are the K-pop Demon Hunters. So she's got a set of the K-pop Demon Hunters that she can build and play with. Really, really cool. So she's going to like them. And then down at the bottom here, we also got some more as well. We have some more minifigs, obviously from K-pop Demon Hunters, so obviously she's heavily into it. But this time these are the Saja Boys. So yeah, and it comes with Derpy the Tiger as well as a buildable Sussy the Pigeon, I think it is. So that's going to be a cool one. Down here we then also have a load of parts just to do a Mills plate. That's going to get me sorted out for my next modular building that I will be doing at some point as well. I'll probably be doing that in the background. So that's all ready to then get sorted out. So I've just got 4x4 plates, 1x4 Technic bricks and 2x2 bricks as well. So yeah, it should be enough in there to actually get one full 32x32 base plate Mills plated. That's cool. And then in here we've pretty much got a lot of mock sets as well. So I think this is the most mock sets that we've probably ordered in a long time. So this is the mock 209430. And in here, we did actually order this one before, actually. Yes. So in here are all the pieces. This is for Gromit. So we ended up getting my dad this for Christmas, and he really enjoyed building it. So much so that I like the look of it, and yeah, I went ahead and bought it. I think it was only like £3 or £4. Can't really complain for the pricing as well. So yeah, so that's that one. What I'm going to have to do is write on a sticky note on what these ones are as well. So I'll write down what ones these are, and then that way I know what to pull out when I need them. So the next one, we've got A2325. Trying to remember what ones I've actually ordered and what ones I haven't ordered. Oh, yeah, well, I say I haven't ordered. So this one is another one for our daughter by the looks of it, and this is basically Derpy the Tiger from K-pop Demon Hunters. So that's going to be an interesting mock build that we do together as well. She's going to thoroughly enjoy that one. I won't get the actual bags out fully because it makes it harder to get them back in. So the next one is 210783. And in here, oh, I know what this one is. This one, a load of green pieces, and you've got a couple of gold wings there as well. This one is Pete's Dragon. So it's Elliot from Pete's Dragon. Really looking forward to doing that one. Our little girl had actually asked about getting that one for her as well. So I'll build that for her. I'll probably do that on stream as well. So there we are. That's that one. Next one. So we've got 3 mock sets done already. We've got on the 4th one. This is 57356, and this one is a Speed Champions build, and a load of grey pieces, dark grey, and things like that. But these are all the bits to make up Eleanor Mustang from Gone in 60 Seconds. So yet again, that one's going to be a pretty good one. I'm feeling that I've already done one, but you can't go wrong with another Mustang. So I'm going to put that one to one side. And this one is the next one. This is S0122, and we've got a load of parts here. I know what this one is, and this is basically another K-pop Demon Hunters one, and this time it's Rumi's sword, so that one's going to be interesting to do. But I think what I might do is just stick it all together so it doesn't break apart or anything like that, and then yeah, if she wants to play with it, she can without it falling apart. There we are. So that's the sword. I think it's a 1-to-1 scale as well, or like a life-size sword. It's going to be interesting. And then the last one, it's a quite heavy bag, is A1667. Trying to remember. Well, yes, I know what this one is. So this one is basically a load of mixed parts and pieces and everything else, and got a couple of Technic hinge pieces. This one is the Megazord from Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. So yeah, going to be pretty cool. That is it. So I haven't actually come across any motor package at all. So it might be the case of waiting to see if they actually turn up, or I get in contact with Lloyd and see whether there is supposed to be a motor pack with it as well. So yeah, there's quite a lot of stuff. Obviously, first thing that I was greeted to was a load of bags, a shed load of bags for that train as well. But yeah, it's going to be a thing of like knowing what to build next as well. So I know it's not much, obviously, for myself, because obviously majority of the stuff is obviously for my other half and for our daughter as well. I think there's only 2 or 3 sets 2 or 3 things there that I picked up for myself. The rest of it is obviously for everyone else. So yeah, really look forward to building everything. I'm looking forward to building the locomotive as well. I'm hoping I can get some information on the motor pack and see what's actually going on with that itself. So there we are. Big thanks for watching. If you have liked the video, if you have liked the unboxing as well, please do drop a thumbs up as well. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button because obviously it's just free, so it doesn't cost anything at all. Also share the videos out as well if you think anyone is interested in any of these videos. So once again, big thanks for watching, and we will hopefully catch you on the next one, or maybe catch you in one of the live streams where we're building some of these sets, or some of the sets that you've probably seen in the previous unboxings. So until then, we'll catch you later. Bye bye.